How to deactivate your TikTok account. If you want to deactivate your TikTok account temporarily and stop your profile from appearing publicly, you can easily do so by following these simple steps. To get started, open up the TikTok application on your phone. Next, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap the three lines menu at the top right. And then, select Settings and Privacy. After that, tap Account. Now you have to tap Deactivate or Delete Account. Tap Deactivate Account. Tap Deactivate. For security, you'll have to enter your account password, then tap Deactivate Account. Finally, tap Deactivate in the pop-up that shows up to temporarily deactivate your TikTok account. If you change your mind and want to reactivate it, simply log into your account and tap Reactivate to recover it. That's all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.